Kaya maraming tao ang lumalayo sa Panginoon dahil akala nila ang Panginoon is a very judgmental God. No, He is a God of love, a God of mercy, a God of grace. The more that people are imperfect, the more that He likes to reach out to them. He is the God of the brokenhearted. He is the God of the weary, the God of the anxious, the God of people na nagkakamali rin, katulad mo at katulad ko. Kung titignan natin ang example ng Panginoon, siya mismo ang lumapit sa mga tao. And are we not supposed to follow that example, to come to the people by showing them mercy, by showing them love? Not just love. It's what being a Christian is. Admitting that ako mismo hindi ako perfect, therefore let me just show it by extending compassion to somebody else. Kung ako mismo, recipient ako ng grasya ng Panginoon, kung ako mismo recipient ako ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon, what